Hi there, everyone. Today I'm diving into a tough but crucial topic: how to rebuild trust after an affair. Infidelity can be devastating, but healing and regaining trust is possible. According to the Gottman Institute, trust is rebuilt when both partners are committed to renewing their bond and taking intentional steps towards healing. So let's get into some expert tips on how to do just that. First, transparency is key. Share your thoughts and feelings openly and honestly. This isn't easy, but it's necessary for both partners to feel secure again. Next, consistency is crucial. Actions speak louder than words. Show your partner that you're reliable and that you truly want to make amends. Now, let's talk about accountability. The unfaithful partner must take full responsibility for their actions without making excuses. Be patient and allow your partner to express their pain and anger. It's important to remember that healing isn't linear. There will be ups and downs. According to a study by the American Association for Marriage and Family Therapy, 60 to 75% of couples who experience infidelity stay together. But it takes time and effort from both sides. Seeking professional help can make a huge difference. That's why I'm offering a free hypnotherapy session with Amelia, an expert in emotional healing. The link to book is in the description below. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing you think is crucial for rebuilding trust after an affair? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with others who might need it. Remember, rebuilding trust is a journey, but it's one that's worth taking. Thanks for watching. See you next time.